My first decision was to vote for the ground level ozone. While the acid deposition is just as a dire situation to solve, the ground level ozone is more critical as agricultural plants in the area have been exposed to damage. I also had to consider the farmers' livelihoods and how the crops generate produce. Although 100,000 different species live in the area, efforts can be taken to mitigate the unreversible damage. I agree that we must regulate the ground level ozone from commercial and personal transportation. Chapter 1 highlights what is sustainability. Defining it as the management of natural resources that do not diminish or degrade Earth's ability to provide them in the near future. I think the decision to prohibit private vehicle traffic in the park is the best applied version of sustainability. While this may limit tourism, it will reduce the ground level ozone, which will mitigate the damage to agricultural crops. There is also little that can be done to remediate ozone damage. Brief exposure can have dire effects. This will also increase the need for public transportation, which will decrease the carbon footprint. Once this problem is solved, actions will be set in place to prevent acid deposition in areas that have been affected. Prohibiting private transportation in the park is also a prime example of what Chapter 1 lists as sustainable development. That is, the needs of the present without compromising the ability of future generations to their own needs. The plan also fulfills the 3 E's: environment, economy, and equity. With more public transportation in place, the city will see an increase of revenue and a decrease of ecological harm in the environment.